Ohio does have a death penalty, as it's one of the 31 states in the Union that permits it. American Samoa of 2020. For those sentenced to die, they are executed by lethal injection unless they select the option to be executed by electrocution. Since John Kasich became governor in 2011, the state of Ohio has executed 53 inmates who had been found guilty of capital crimes. The inmates' lawyers do have the opportunity to appeal the death sentence. However, a significant amount of inmates find that their appeals are ultimately unsuccessful. Many legal experts believe that the state's laws on the death penalty are unconstitutional and that anyone who's executed under them could be seen as a victim of wrongful death. Ohio's system also faces criticism from many people outside of its legal system because of the fact that there are no alternatives to the death penalty. Those against the death penalty in Ohio have argued that disadvantaged people are more likely to receive such sentences due to their socio-economic backgrounds. Those in favor of Ohio's death penalty argue that it is a necessary part of the criminal justice system, providing closure for victims and their families. Furthermore, proponents of the death penalty often point out that the offenders were found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The death penalty has been a controversial topic with no definitive answer as to whether or not it is an effective form of justice. Many studies have been done on the efficacy of the death penalty, but while some show that it can be a deterrent, others suggest that capital punishment has no impact on the crime rate. There is also the issue of wrongly convicted death row inmates, who have been exonerated due to newly discovered evidence proving their innocence. Criminal justice reform activists are pushing to either introduce alternatives to the death penalty or abolish it altogether, though this is unlikely to happen in the near future. The death penalty in Ohio is also a very expensive practice for taxpayers, with legal fees and court costs running into the millions. There are also significant delays in terms of executions due to legal challenges, costly appeals and other factors, which often makes the death penalty an unpopular choice even among those who support it. Despite all the debate and the fact that the death penalty is still used in Ohio, there is no denying that it remains a highly contentious topic. While some view the death penalty as a necessary tool in the criminal justice system, others believe that it is nothing more than a form of state-sanctioned murder. It is an issue that has divided opinion for many years and looks likely to do so for many more. No matter what your opinion may be, one thing is clear: the death penalty in Ohio is still a hotly debated issue. Though many have done their best to try and reform the system, it remains as controversial as ever within the state. Whether its ultimate fate in Ohio will be filled with successes or fails and falls remains to be seen. It will most likely take quite a bit of time and effort in order to settle this matter of life and death. There have been a number of vocal leaders and advocacy groups who are attempting to sway opinion in both directions. Ultimately, the future of the death penalty in Ohio will ultimately be decided by the people in charge and the people of Ohio themselves. It is an issue that will not only divide but also unite the state, as all levels of the criminal justice system are impacted no matter the outcome.